Welcome to another Miami Hitch video. In today's video, we're going to be installing WeatherTech FloorLiners on a 2010 GMC Yukon XL. We have the rear and the front liners, and today I will demonstrate how to unbox and install the floor liner in your vehicle. Right here we have the front liner for the Yukon XL. Let's go ahead and open up the box and see what comes inside. As we open the box, we see that we have two liners. One for the passenger side, one for the driver's side. You can always determine which one goes where based on the logo on the liner. The logo on the liner is always going to be pointing outward on the vehicle. In this case, we're looking at the passenger side. So when we insert it into the passenger side, the logo will be facing towards the door. Same goes for the driver's side. In the box, you'll find two small bags. And in these bags, you're gonna find a WeatherTech grip. The WeatherTech grip is gonna go attached to the bottom of the liner, as so. And this will be used so that it can grip onto the carpet of the vehicle. Now let's go ahead and attach all of the tech grips to the liner so that we can go ahead and install it onto the vehicle. Right here we have the rear liner for the Yukon XL. As you can tell, the rear liner is one solid piece that's going to span across the rear seats. And these are laser fit to fit perfectly onto your vehicle. Now that we've unboxed everything, let's go ahead and get it ready for install. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like and subscribe to our channel for everything towing and more. Any questions you have, drop them down in the comments below. And remember, always tow responsibly.